Today I wanted to talk a little bit about how to convert fractions to a percent. There's actually two ways you could do it. I want to show you both of them. First of all, I want to show you the kind of the easy way. And this only works if your um, denominator is easily multiplied and turned into 100. So let's say I have 3/5. Well, I could easily convert this 5 and turn it into a 100. So what would I need to multiply the 5 by in order to turn it into 100? It'd be 20. So what I'm going to do is I'm also going to multiply the top numerator by 20, and I would get 60 over 100. So 100% is what we're looking for. So all you need to do is move this over and you have 60%. So let's do that one more time. So let's say I have 2/10 and I need to convert that into a percentage. So what times 10 would make that 100? 10. So multiply your top by 10. Multiply straight across 20 over 100. So you would end up with 20%. Seems super easy, right? But sometimes you don't have these beautiful little numbers on the bottom that easily convert to 100. So there's other ways we can go ahead and convert that fraction to a percent. But first, before we move on, I actually wanted to show you if this how this works out if you would do it the next way. So let's use our 3/5 there. So if I'm going to do this one the standard way instead of multiplying it to find 100, what you're going to do is divide the numerator by the denominator. So I would do 5 into 3. Well, obviously 5 does not go into 3, so we got to add a decimal place. Move that decimal place up. 5 goes into 36 times. So then I would take that 0.6 multiplied by 100, and I get 60%. So this one, you can also just move that decimal place over if you are very comfortable with math and just want to move the decimal place over 2 spots. You can still get that 60%. But for those that like to do every step, I would go ahead and multiply it by 100. That way you're absolutely positively sure that you have the correct number. Let's do a couple more doing it the other way. Let's do a nice easy one, 2/4. So all you're going to do is do 2 divided by 4. Give yourself another decimal place. 20, 0, 0, 0. Then you can take your 0.50 and convert that to a percentage, which is 50%. Let's do 6/7. So go ahead and do 6 divided by 7. Give yourself an extra decimal place there. 8. So 56, 4, 0, 0, 5. So this one is going to be kind of a large number. So you would have to just go back and look at what the question is asking for. Is it asking you to put your percentage in a whole, or is it asking you to leave a decimal place in which you would have to round it or something, or move that over? So let's move that. Let's just finish this math here. 7, so 49, 1, 0, 1. So we'll just leave it at this. We could keep on going, but we won't. So let's say my teacher told me to go ahead and round this to the nearest whole percentage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look just to the right of that second number there, and it's a 7, and it's over 5, so I can go ahead and round that up. So I would be 86%. And that, my friends, is how you convert a fraction into percent.